What do you love about Virginia's Blue Ridge?
What do I not love about Virginia's Blue Ridge? The Hotel Roanoke is awesome. All right, when you get there, it's right across the street from that museum about trains. It has a great walkable downtown. So if you're staying at the Hotel Roanoke, you can walk down to like 10 different restaurants within 5 minutes, and you feel like you have like a cosmopolitan feel, but it's very approachable. You know what I mean? Sometimes when you're in a really big city, it feels overwhelming, too much traffic, you feel like you're getting run over. What I love about being in Virginia's Blue Ridge and Roanoke is that you can go down, find a pub here, find a great pizza here, find a great fine dining restaurant here, and within 5 minutes, you're there and you're walking. You don't have to feel like you're gonna get run over. So I really like that aspect of it. I love the people in Virginia's Blue Ridge, right? Every single person I've ever met has been super nice and super kind. And I think that's really, I don't know, I guess it's a little bit out of the ordinary, out of the norm, because you go to so many places and it's almost like they don't even want you there, but you can tell that you're wanted and that you're valued when you go to Virginia's Blue Ridge. Of course, you have Roanoke as the downtown, right? But you can get out in 15 minutes and be in some of the most beautiful country that you have ever been to in the mountains, right? Headed towards Blacksburg, right? On the way out there, you can just get off the interstate, right? And go in any direction, and you're in some of the most gorgeous nature that you've ever seen, right? They have the Natural Bridge. Have you ever heard of the Natural Bridge? It's awesome. It's really, really cool. So these are things that, I live in a big city with, just too much going on. And a lot of times all we see are like 8 lanes on the highway and brake lights in front of us and headlights behind us. So it's nice to be able to get away, turn off to the side, you're in nature, go for a 2-hour hike and see no one. Isn't that awesome? Right? Get back in the car, get back to Roanoke, go to the Hotel Roanoke, check in, change your clothes, go have a great meal, go get a beer at a pub, have a great time. That is what I love about Virginia's Blue Ridge.